Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. Just got done playing a little bit of golf and decided to shoot a quick video for you guys on how to make money from home part-time. So if you're somebody that has a full-time job, do not worry. This is going to take no more than 30 minutes to an hour a day, and this is going to allow you to earn anywhere between $500 to $1,000 per day online. And I'm going to break it down in complete detail to a science in 5 steps for you. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. But actually, before we do, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. You tick the bell icon to receive updates on future videos that I upload when I upload them. And go ahead and give me a like if you have been on this channel for a while and you have liked, the previous content that I put out, or if you're just brand new, give me a thumbs up because I know you're going to get just tons and tons of value from this. So let's go ahead and give you the 5 steps to earning $500 to $1,000 per day online part-time, just working from home. So step number 1, you want to build an audience on one single platform. And I just created a video on how to build an audience, and I'll link that down in the description. But what you want to do is you want to build a following, build an audience. So the platform that I choose to build an audience on is YouTube. Now, I do some promotions on Facebook, some marketing on Facebook, but about 99.9% of my focus is on YouTube this year. My goal is to get my subscriber base to over 100,000 subscribers, okay? And to do that, I'm gonna need to put up content on a daily basis, okay? And so I've got a strategy behind that on exactly how much content I need to put out, how many leads I can produce from that content, how many sales I'm gonna produce from those specific leads, and so on and so forth. And we're gonna break that down, in this video. But you can see that I have over 5,000 subscribers at the time of the creation of this video. And so I want to challenge you to go out there and start building a following on whatever platform you resonate with. You see, the problem with most marketers, most newbies online, is they're trying to do Instagram one day, then they're doing Twitter the next day, then they're doing the Pinterest the day after that, and they're doing YouTube the day after that. Because I know a lot of you guys, you're not just subscribed to my channel, but you're subscribed to a lot of other channels out there. And there's tons of different strategies. And you got so many gurus telling you different things. I would urge you to just focus on one strategy, one platform, and one mentor that can help you go deep with one thing, right? You don't want to be a jackass of all trades, right? You don't want to be, what they say, Jet Li, or who was it? Jet Li, I believe it said this. He said, I don't fear the man that practices 10,000 different kicks one time. I fear the man that practices one kick 10,000 times. And actually, it was Bruce Lee who said that quote. So what you want to do is you really want to hone in your skills and your efforts on one specific platform and go super deep with that platform, okay? So that's what I've chosen to do with YouTube. That's why you're seeing content from me on a consistent daily basis. I'm pretty much blocking all other noise out there, and this is 100% my focus, and nothing out there will get me distracted. You should have the same exact mentality as well. Okay, so that's step number 1, build an audience on just one platform. Step number 2, after you begin building an audience, after you begin putting out content, okay, what you want to do is you want to build an email list of subscribers, okay? You want to capture people's names and email addresses through the form of an autoresponder and an opt-in page, okay? I've shown this on other videos, but if you guys are new to the channel, I'll show you guys this once again. Here's one of my websites right here. Whoops, let me go to the website here. You can see this is called an opt-in page. And when somebody comes to this page and they click yes, give me instant access, and they fill out their email address right here, and they click here to get access now, they are added to an autoresponder, okay? And this is my autoresponder right here. This autoresponder is GetResponse, and it logs all my email addresses all in one place. So you definitely want an autoresponder service if you're serious about building your business online. And what I'll do is I'll link a link to GetResponse in the description below. So there's no way around this. You absolutely need GetResponse. It's like, to start, you get like a 30-day free trial, and I think it's like 15 bucks a month, depending on how many leads you have. Okay. And you guys can see I can email up to, this is probably right around 45, 46,000 leads. I can email one email to these 46,000 leads and make sales on autopilot, right? You hear a lot of people talking about autopilot sales, how people are able to send out one email and make $1 million overnight or make thousands of dollars very quickly, right? It's because they have a large audience, right? They built a large audience over here and they've gotten that audience over to an email autoresponder, right? And then they can email those specific people on their list and create income fairly quickly. So you're probably wondering, why, Josh? Why do we need to get people from here to here? Well, the idea is we don't own people on YouTube, okay? We don't own these subscribers. YouTube owns these subscribers. YouTube actually owns my content. And at any given moment, you know, the channel could get shut down, right? YouTube could go under. They could go out of business. There's many things that can happen. But one thing that you will always own, the biggest asset that you can have in your online business, is an email list. So make sure that you're building an email list, okay? And I would make it a goal to get at least your first 5, 10, and even 20 leads per day and gamify it. Say, okay, Josh, this first day, I'm going to get 5 leads per day, okay? And I'm going to focus on YouTube, or I'm going to focus on Facebook or Instagram, whatever it is, right? And I'm going to focus on that daily until I get my first 5 leads. Okay. And then once I get my first 5 leads, I'm going to gamify it again. I'm going to focus on getting 10. So what's going to happen is as you begin putting out more content on these social media platforms, you'll start to get more leads. Your lead flow will begin to increase. Okay. And then once you notice that your lead flow is increasing, all it is now is it's the numbers game. You just got to put out more content. And the more content that you put out, the more quality content that you put out, the more leads you're going to get per day, okay? So that's step number 2, is to build an email list of subscribers. Step number 3 is to promote an offer with a high LTCV, okay? You may be thinking I'm talking gibberish here. LTCV is lifetime customer value. Every time somebody comes into your business, you want to know exactly how much that customer is worth for the lifetime that they're inside the business, okay? And there's many different offers out there. The offer that I'm currently promoting that I truly believe in is called the 4%, right? This is the 4%. If I go over to the dashboard here, and I will also put a link down in the description below that will explain in a little bit more detail about 4%, because I have many videos that do that. But basically, in a nutshell, this program actually helps entrepreneurs grow and build an online business, okay, while helping them become the best versions of themselves. Not only build an online business, but build an independent online business. So what I've done is I've become a product of this product, right? I've gone through it. I've gone through all the material, and a lot of my success is due to this specific product, right? And I decided to become an affiliate because it's such a transformational product, and it is the best product out there on building a successful online business ever. I can promise you it is. I'm not just saying that. I'm not being biased. You know, I've been in this industry for the past 10 years, and most products, they will leave certain pieces of marketing out, right? So they might cover how to get traffic, but they don't cover how to convert that traffic. They might cover how to build an email list, but they don't cover the mentality that you need to even get started building an online business. So what if you could get access to all that information that you need to build an online business in one place without having to buy a product over here and then another product over there and being upsold on another product over here, right? That can be confusing. It's overwhelming. It costs a lot of money. And why wouldn't you want access to everything in one place? And that is the 4%, okay? And I will leave a link to that below in the description. It's my top recommended system right now to date. And I'll show you a little bit of income proof that I've created from learning from the products and also promoting the products within 4%. So you can just be a customer and go through the material and build your own business, or you can also become a promotional partner or an affiliate and promote, you know, these products and earn a commission off of them, okay? So this specific product has a high LTCV, high lifetime customer value, because it has front-end products and it has back-end products. And I've said this many times, you do not want to just promote one product, right? Because if you promote one product, you're limiting yourself to the amount of income that you can make, right? It's like walking into a grocery store and you just purchase lettuce, right? You're probably not going to do that. You're going to purchase other products, right? Because you're not just going to eat lettuce, right? There's other products that you need in a grocery store to get the nutrients, to have the vitality and energy that you need to, you know, be successful in life and be productive and have energy. It's the same thing in an online business. The solution to make money online isn't just going to be in one product. And so what the 4% does is they offer other products, right, that will help you in different facets in marketing and within your life, right, to build yourself and to build your income and to build your impact, right? And so you're going to need to purchase these other products to really have success if you're serious about success. And here's the best part is if you become a promotional partner, you're not just going to earn money on the front end products, right? But you're going to earn money on back end products. No company made millions of dollars just by, or billions of dollars for that matter, just by having one product and just selling one product. Okay. Microsoft doesn't do it. Apple doesn't do it. Amazon doesn't do it. And many companies don't do it because if they did that, they couldn't really spend that much money on advertising because they're just selling one product. They don't have a back end series of products that they can sell to help them, you know, cover their advertising costs and make money on the back end, right? Where if you just have a front end product, you're running advertising on TV ads, internet ads, right? Facebook ads, you know, then you might break even or you might lose money, but you're never going to be in profit. And that's why you want to have other, you know, products, low ticket products, in other words, and high ticket products. Okay. So you want to make sure that you promote an offer with a high LTCV. So you have nothing to, if you have nothing to promote, there will be a link in the description below if you would like to, you know, become an affiliate of 4%. We do have weekly calls as well inside of our private Facebook group. So I would be glad to help you out personally on those calls to help you start, you know, creating success online by promoting, you know, 4% along with me. Okay. Step 4, here's where we get into the math. Okay. This is what most newbies do not do, or a lot of experienced marketers don't do this at all. And this is why they hit brick wall after brick wall. They keep struggling, right? You want to find out how many leads you need to make or you need to have to create a sell. Okay. And here's a live over the shoulder case study example. I'm going to give that to you guys right now. A lot of people aren't transparent. They don't give you the numbers, but I'm going to break down my personal numbers that I'm getting by promoting the 4%. Okay. So I started tracking March 7th. Okay. Just March 7th, I started tracking, and you can actually see right here my 4% leads. Here's the campaign name from March 7th to April 9th, 1,044 leads. Okay. Got that? So what we want to do now is we want to find out how many sales we got out of those 1,044 leads. And I use a tracking tool called Click Magic that will track how many sales I get per the amount of leads that I'm bringing in. So you can see right here, this specific funnel right here, 756 people opted in, 756 leads, right? Which is different from here, right? You're going to notice these numbers are a little bit different. So I want to go with worst case scenario numbers. Some of these leads might not be tracking through Click Magic, but here's my real lead flow. Okay. Get response is going to give me my actual lead flow. Okay. So I did 1,044 divided by, you see all these $1 trials. I counted up these $1 trials. I have about 40 of them. Okay. So if we were to take those numbers, 1,044 divided by 40, we have 26 leads that I generate per sell. Okay, that's a number you want to have in the back of your mind. So my goal is if I can generate 26 leads every single day, that's going to be one sell a day. Okay, and I also know that one sell a day is going to yield me a lifetime customer value of $96. Okay, so in total, I got 155 trial sales. Okay, you can see that I just started tracking on March 7th though, right? But year to date, from January 1st to April 9th, I've got 155 cells, okay? And let me just show you the math here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to item 10 here, right? This is gonna count all my $1 trials. We don't want rebills. We'll include refunds, no problem. Actually, we don't want to include refunds. We just want straight up cells, okay? We got 155 items, right? Which is what we got right here. 155 cells. Okay, those 155 cells, these are all trials. See all these zeros right here? People sign up for the trial. They go through the 7-day, video series. And if they love what they're seeing, they pay $49.99. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove this item here, and we're going to include rebills, and we're also going to include refunds. And I want to see my total sales volume, my total commissions. Check it out, $14,910.82. Okay, so you can see that here, 14,910, 14,910, right? And so what I did is I took 14,910 divided by 155 cells. That gave me a lifetime customer value of $96 per $1 trial. So I know that every time I bring in a $1 trial, the lifetime of that value of that customer, they're not only going to buy the front end product, but they'll buy other products, which will yield an average of $96 per customer. Okay. So now that we know this, now we can boil everything down to one goal. So we've built an audience, started building an email list of subscribers. We've found out how many leads we need to make a sale. We found out our numbers, most importantly, and now we want to narrow down to our financial goals. Okay, so in this case, we want to make $500 to $1,000 a day. And I spend about 30 minutes to an hour a day uploading videos, shooting videos just like these, right? Leveraging YouTube. And that's my one simple focus, okay, is to upload videos, right? And then recognize that, hey, if I'm going to hit $500 to $1,000 a day, I need to get 5 to 10 sales per day or 130 leads per day, okay? 130 leads per day. So if we take 26 leads, right? Let me go over here. We take 26 leads times 5 sales a day, which will equal at least $500. That's 130 leads that I need, okay? So 130 leads is going to produce at least $500 a day. If I want to make $1,000 a day, I'm going to take 26 leads, right, per $1 trial, and we're going to times that by 10 cells. We're going to need 260 leads a day. But my first goal, you guys, all I'm focused on is uploading videos every single day until I get 130 leads per day, because I know by my numbers, if I do that, these numbers here will work out, okay? And this doesn't even include back-end, even more back-end sales, right? There's other income streams that I'm making money off of that I haven't even included in this, okay? So this is like worst case scenario numbers. So all I need to do now, okay, you want to simplify everything in your business. All I need to do is focus on one platform and generate 130 leads per day with that platform. And that is YouTube. So I'm excited for you guys to continue on the journey with me. When I get these 130 leads a day, you guys are going to see really me ramping up to $500 to $1,000 a day. And that's exactly how you can do it. I've been able to do it in other businesses. I've been able to do it on other platforms, and I'm excited to really go deep with YouTube and show you guys a live case study. This live case study really unfold. Okay, so if you got value from this video and this 5-step process, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and comment below if you have any questions. Is this math making sense to you guys? I would love to know if you enjoyed this. So please, I look at all the comments. Please, please, please comment below. I love to hear from you guys. And also check the resources section below. If you want to replicate and duplicate this exact process and earn anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per day, there's going to be a link in the description, my top recommended system. Go ahead and click that link, check it out. And thank you so much. This is Josh Elder signing off. and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.